How to get Temu coupon bundles. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Temu's coupon bundles. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the Temu website, and before I begin, just want to say that make sure you check the link in the description below. You'll find all the links in the description. Along with the links, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page and save money. So let's get into it. Now, if you are trying to find a specific coupon bundle, if you're trying to find specific coupon bundles, there are a couple of ways to do that. The easiest way is for new users, right? Downloading the apps and signing up through the app over here. For the first time, they give you a generous offer with a potential coupon bundle worth up to $100 or more. When I first signed up, they did give me a pretty big coupon code. I don't think it was $100, but it was a pretty big number. But yeah. Then another thing is you can go ahead and search a referral code. So if you want, you can install the apps. You may need to enter a specific code like this one or other codes that can be found on websites like Groupon. So here you can see I'm over here on this website, and there are a bunch of different coupon codes that are available. You can see right here, $100 coupon code with 30% off, $100 off on your order. Coupon code over here down below. We can go ahead and click on this bar. You click on see codes over here, and this is the code right here. I do need to go ahead and subscribe. It should open up. Let me try that again. So here is the code. I can just simply click on the shop now button and it'll open up the shop over here. Another website is this one. This one also pretty work. It's called Cody. Again, you just simply click the button, reveal the code. The code would be revealed over here. Then you can just simply copy it and then go to the website and then select the product you like and then click on add to cart. It'll be added. Then you can go to checkout, and then in the checkout page you can apply the code and see if it works or not. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So you can see right here it can only be used in the Temu app, but there you go. It didn't say that it's not a fake or anything like that. It does work, but it can only be applied in the app, so it should be good to go. Then you can just simply select the payment method, add it, and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.